James Bausch with Remax Results. We're here on this beautiful spring day on the shores of Big Chapman Lake. The birds are singing, the sun is shining, and we are super excited to introduce you to 16 EMS C28g Lane. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home can be used either seasonally or year-round and is also available turnkey. So come inside, check it out with us. Another one of the great features of this home is the kitchen. Granite countertops, it's open to the living room and to the dining room, and of course, panoramic views of the lake. One of the things that you're gonna absolutely love about this home is that almost every room has beautiful views of the lake. You're standing in the master bedroom right now, some privacy screens to close if you want some privacy, but also some wonderful views of the lake. Thanks for checking out 16 EMS C28g Lane with us. We hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you want to check it out in person, just give me a call or shoot me a text message at 574-551-6051.